wala akong expectations of acquittal or a verdict guilty. Basta sa akin lang ay tinanggap ko na kung ano yung magiging verdict. Whether guilty man yon or acquittal, I'm already at peace. Basta sa akin, tanggap ko kung anong mangyayari, anong magiging ending ng impeachment.
Pero yung preparation po ng mga lawyers natin, kamusta po?
Lawyers, okay naman sila. In full throttle na yung kanilang preparations for the impeachment, and of course they would not want a trial as lawyers. Alam naman natin ang dalawa ng mga abogado, no? Marami silang mga paraan sa batas as a legal recourse for their clients. But sinabihan ko na rin talaga sila, really, I truly want a trial because I want a bloodbath talaga.